We are here at
Hi guys, we are here at a Mud Cafe here at SM Grand Central para mag-celebrate ng ating Valentine's Day. Ayan si Abby.
Alright guys, so hi, and we are here at Mud Cafe here at SM Grand Central para mag-celebrate ng aming Valentine's Day. Abby, here's our food. Happy eating guys!
So ayan na yung aming food.
Meron pang
And yung waffle na yan is free lang yan
and
sa amin.
these
So
are
hindi ko alam bakit free.
that's happy.
Pero in
Basta naman
fairness,
ang pagkain
masarap
niya.
siya. Malaki yung serving and para siyang cinnamon yung peg ng lasa
Hey
niya.
guys,
All good and Abby
Let's
Arda.
try the
So, ako naman
binagoongan
ito-try ko
rice.
naman yung binagoongan ng rice.
binagoong
First
rice.
bite. Good. Happy eating, guys. Bye.